We're going to be making some hibachi on the Blackstone. All right, guys, let's get started, man. Let's put some oil on the Blackstone. And I went ahead and had some rice that was left over. Go ahead and pour this into your Blackstone. It's just white rice, nothing special, you guys. Then I got some soy sauce from Trader Joe's, my favorite place. And sprinkle some soy sauce on that bad boy. Yeah, you can put as much as you want. I just put as much to give it some different color texture, you know. But I do like it salty, so I like to put some soy sauce on there, a good amount. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make a little hole, a little circle inside of that rice. You want to dump 2 eggs in there. All right, and it doesn't matter what kind of eggs. I really don't care. So choose whatever eggs you want. Put some eggs in there. And let's go ahead and start getting our spatula. Stir it up a little bit with the eggs. First, get your garlic salt. You know what I'm talking about. That garlic salt from Costco. Yeah, that's my favorite one, man. I put that on everything. Get that gospel out. This is the Meat Church seasoning. I'm pretty addicted to this seasoning. I'm not going to lie. I put it on everything. And go ahead and start mixing this thing up. This is a good time, man, to cook outside. It's daylight out. You know, this was a Sunday. Kids are here. Kids are home. They're just playing in the background, you know. It's all good. Perfect day to cook on the Blackstone. So you want to cook this rice on high. You might notice that it starts to stick a little bit of that rice. So if it does start to stick, make sure you get that oil and sprinkle some more oil on there. So you can get that nice char on it as well. I kind of like the rice crispy. I don't like it all soggy. You know what I mean? Start stirring it up. And this doesn't take too long to cook, honestly. It took me about 6 minutes to cook this rice. All right. And yeah, you'll get my son coming in and out of the video. You know, they just love watching me cook. And I'll get them involved sometimes too, you know. But here it is, a little close-up. Egg is quite not done. I know some people cook the egg on the side, but I ain't got time for that. I like to cook it with the rice. I feel like it tastes less chunky that way. When you cook the egg on the side, I noticed that you get like these big chunks of egg inside of the fried rice, and I don't like that. I kind of like it to taste like egg, but not to have chunks of egg. So if you just mix it in with the egg, that's what you get. So once you're almost done with the rice, once it's about I'd say about 80% done, what I do is I put it on the right side and I put it on low. This will give me an opportunity to cook everything else. So I cooked my hibachi, I cooked my meat, my chicken, all my vegetables, have my rice on low, and that 20% got done at the end. So everything got done at the same time. So at this point, rice is done. All you got to do is take out all the rice, put it in your bowl, and we're all done, son. At this point, man, get ready to feast, because I'm telling you, this thing was delicious. And I have a full video recipe coming out soon on how to make this hibachi. I'm telling you, son, it came out super duper good. It was my first time making it. I surprised myself. Damn, it was good. Yeah.